To get the most out of Semrush projects, start by setting clear goals and objectives for your campaign. This will help you stay focused and ensure your efforts are aligned with your overall digital marketing strategy. Begin by identifying your target audience and the keywords you want to rank for. Then use Semrush to conduct thorough keyword research and analyze your competitors. Next, set up your Semrush project by creating a new campaign and adding your target website and keywords. Use the Semrush audit tool to identify technical issues and areas for improvement on your website, and prioritize fixes based on severity and impact. This will help you optimize your website for better search engine rankings and improve user experience. Another key aspect of Semrush projects is tracking your progress and measuring the success of your campaign. Use the Semrush dashboard to monitor your keyword rankings, organic traffic, and other key metrics, and adjust your strategy as needed. You can also use Semrush to track your competitors and stay ahead of the curve. To take your Semrush project to the next level, use the tool to identify new opportunities for growth and improvement. For example, you can use the Semrush Content Analyzer to identify gaps in your content strategy and create high-quality, relevant content that resonates with your target audience. You can also use the Semrush link building tool to identify new opportunities for building high-quality backlinks and improving your website's authority. Best practices for Semrush projects include regularly reviewing and updating your campaign settings, staying up to date with the latest Semrush features and updates, and using the tool in conjunction with other digital marketing strategies. By following these tips and using Semrush to its full potential, you can drive more traffic, boost your search engine rankings, and achieve your digital marketing goals.